Keto pumpkin eater. Egg bites! Exciting. I like a little spice. I'm a Leo, what do you expect? Hola familia, Busy Mami here, and today I have a new toy, so I wanted to share with y'all. All right, y'all have seen that I have done a video already for my egg bites, for my Sous Vide Egg Bites, copycat egg bites from Starbucks, and then I saw this and I was like, I need to have it because it is a Dash, and y'all know, anyone who does low carb, really anyone, I feel like everyone knows about the Dash maker, the little waffle maker, how we make some chaffles, and if you want to see that video, I got that too. But I love these little things. They're so fun. My kiddos actually love using the Dash to make breakfast. My 9-year-old loves to make pancakes for us, which is really cute. I wanted to share this awesome little Dash that I found, and it basically, whatever, it's fine. You don't need to see it. It is right here. It is a little Dash maker machine. It comes with these little silicone holders, and then there's a bigger one that comes with it as well. I actually used it to make a nice little cake, but I want to make some egg bites, and I want to see if they're just as good as my Instant Pot ones. Now, I have not made them yet. This will be the first time I make them, and they will be with you, so we will see how they taste. I am going to do the same recipe, very similar to what I did when I made my egg bites, and we're going to try and see how they turn out because I'm kind of excited. Now you can do these in the oven as well. The key to these is really, and they're sous vide, which means, you know, like there's like a water bath essentially, and so that's really what's going to help make them fluffy. So I'm really excited about this because you fill the little silicone containers and you put them in the machine, and then you put water right here and it's supposed to cook them. So like, I'm really excited about it. All right, so let's get started. I gotta unplug this. You should preheat your Dash. All right, so let's get started on making the egg bites. So here's the ingredients that you're gonna need. This is gonna make about 10 because you wanna make a good amount of them and then you wanna store them, but you're gonna need cottage cheese. I know this sounds weird, but it actually doesn't taste like cottage cheese. I don't like cottage cheese on its own, but I do like it in these egg bites. So 2.5 tablespoons of cottage cheese. To that, we're gonna add 4 eggs. 4 eggs, throw them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. While we're making this though, you should totally subscribe or like the video or comment what kind of egg bites you like, what kind of snacks you like. These make awesome snacks. Let me get a napkin because I hate getting my hands dirty. Okay, so now we have 4 eggs, 2.5 tablespoons of the cottage cheese, and to this, I'm going to add some crushed pepper. That's good. Some Himalayan salt, and then we're gonna add a little bit of cream. This is a brand new heavy cream that I just bought. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. All right, so now that I have that, I like them a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna add some of my homemade crushed red pepper. You guys have seen me use that before. I'm gonna blend this up, and then I'm gonna add some cheese and blend it in there with it, but I wanna blend this first to make it really, really nice and smooth. So here we go. Blend. All right, we got some smooth, basically custard mix, and to this, I am going to add the cheese. About 1/4 cup of your favorite cheese. If you want to make the Starbucks versions, which are the Gruyere, how do you say that? Gruyere? Egg bites, Gruyere and bacon. You can do whatever you want. As you can see, I have veggies here that I'm going to put. Those don't get blended. So I'm going to blend this real quick. That's it. I just want a quick blend. I feel like I need to add Tony's. So I'm going to throw a little in there, and I don't really need to worry about mixing that too much. So now that we have it all blended up, I'm going to switch, put on my Dash, and that has to heat up a little bit for us to get started. Let me walk you through the veggies that I picked for mine. Again, that's what I love about these, is they're so customizable. Do whatever you want. I have some prosciutto. You can definitely do some cooked bacon. Cut it up into little pieces, put that in your, I would definitely, it needs to be cooked bacon. Then I have some portobello mushrooms because I love mushrooms, some scallions, green onion, and some jalapeno because y'all know I like a little spice. You've watched me enough to know this, or if this is your first time, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. All right, so we got, this is starting to heat up, which is what we want. I'm gonna get a little bit of water to put in here and we're gonna get started. Let's see what the instructions say for the water. This little booklet comes with some recipes, but I already had my recipe, so I'm gonna use mine. Oh, add 1 silicone full cup of water. Well, I've already put spray in those, so I don't wanna do that. So this is the big one that comes with this as well. I'm doing half of the big one, which I would assume is about one of these, so we shall see. You know, when you assume. All right, let's add my veggies. I'm gonna put some green onion. Oh, I'm so excited about these. Some jalapeno. Don't yell at me for saying jalapeno. Soy hispana. That's why I say jalapeno. I get yelled at sometimes. People yell at me for saying that I'm putting maybe too much veggies in these. It's gonna be like all veggie, no egg. All veggie all the time. But I love veggies in my like omelet things. It's like a Denver omelet. And then we have our prosciutto. That you can yell at me for, because even though I am part Italian, pretty sure I don't know exactly how to say that. Prosciutto? Anybody who's Italian wants to send me a video of them saying the right word, please, I would love to learn. So now it says fill 3/4 full. Let's turn it so you can kind of see what I'm, lo que estoy haciendo, which means what I'm doing. All right. Ooh, that's so smooth and custardy. It looks so good. 3/4 full. They are gonna puff up, at least mine did when I made them in the Instant Pot. So now we got that. I always add a little cheese on top of mine, because again, as you guys know, because I'm extra, that's how I live my life. I'm a Leo, what do you expect? Now we're gonna close and let them sit for 10 to 12 minutes. It is what it says is recommended. We're gonna see if these are better than the Instant Pot. Now the benefit of the Instant Pot over these is that I can make like 24 at a time. It was like about 15 minutes to make that many. The nice thing about this though, if they turn out fluffier and the right shape and size put together, AKA shies, in case you're wondering what that is. I am excited about that. That being said, we're gonna come back as soon as these are done. Like I said, 10 to 12 minutes, and let's check them out. All right, be back soon. Wait, while you wait, you should totally like, subscribe, and comment below. Not that I've said that before or anything. Okay, we'll be back in a second. And we'll be back. So we're back, and it was about 11 minutes, and they look so pretty. Don't they look so pretty? Okay, they're supposed to just come out. They are hot. So, whoop, it just popped out. Whoop. I guess you can leave it whichever side you think is prettier. Probably the top side, with a little bit of the crisp from the top. Woo, hot. Guys, it's hot. All right, so these look pretty good. You could probably add more cheese to the top. All right, so here's the inside of the egg bite. It looks pretty good. Texture feels nice. Look good. It's not as pillowy as I want it. Like the Starbucks egg bites have like a pillowiness to them, but also it could be because I added definitely a lot more veggies in this than you would, you know, the Starbucks egg bites only have the bacon in the top, really. This actually has the veggies all in the middle. I'm gonna try to make one with just the egg, because I think if it's just the egg by itself, as I just tasted the bottom, it'll probably be the same type of texture. But I like this. They're very good. And for a quick snack, you can make a whole batch of these, put them in the fridge, nuke them for a couple seconds, and there you go. So, that being said, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I like it. It's definitely less cleanup than if I were to use my Instant Pot, because I'd have to get that up and get it set up. This takes a little bit less time. I'm excited about it. I'll keep you posted. See y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye. Yum. Look, I have all this extra stuff for makings of an omelet tomorrow.
You're making an omelet?